Angels, welcome back to my channel. I want to get on here and do a eye tutorial because it is October, my favorite month. I'm gonna do a series of makeup Halloween tutorials that I know how to do okay. I'm not saying they're gonna be like professional, perfect, whatever, but I have a couple in mind that I'm gonna do, probably like 5 or 6 of them for the month of October. But if you wanna see this first look, keep watching. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in so you can see my eyes. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye. Go ahead and set my eye with a setting powder just to keep it from creasing. Start slow. I have a vision and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. But I have my liquid eyeliner here. And I'm just going to free draw. And I want it to be a little bit higher, but right now I'm just starting it. And just fill this in down here. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then down here, I'm gonna kind of attempt to do like a bat wing, like an actual bat wing. So let me see here. I'm just gonna go like this.
Good time for Slav Polka.
hoping you can see this. I'm like blocking it. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is this orange right here. And I'm just going to, what I'm gonna do first is put a little bit of this glitter primer on it underneath my eyes, just to pick up that orange. So I'm just grabbing a little bit of that primer and I'm just putting it and I'm gonna pick up the orange and just tap that in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this eye shade. It's like a copper color. It's called Pipe. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on the black part. Just to give it that orange effect. And I'm gonna blend that in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and outline it one more time. Like that. To my eyebrows with my brow building fiber gel from Ardell. And I'm just going to
Start slow.
like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes.
It's time for Boga.
now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face.
It's time for boogie.
If you guys liked it or not, comment down below. If you have any video requests or certain makeup tutorials you would like me to do, comment down below, let me know. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Stay spooky.
Tropa!